Hello everyone, today I want to continue my previous lesson, where we protected our resource just by simply added library Spring Security to our class path. So, as you remember, we have generated security password with UUID, and this generated password is for development use only. Yeah, and it's very inconvenient. If we want to try something, we should to copy it and then provide it in our browser and so on. So I want to show you how can we create a user with help of Spring Security without adding our classes at all. So let's create bin and let's create user detail service. Here we specify new in-memory user detail manager. Okay, let's call it simply manager or something like that. And this manager can create user for us. And as you see, we should pass user details here. Okay, let's create user. Let's specify with username. Let's specify Stas as for me because it's my name, and let's specify password Stas 2. And we need to build it. Great. So, and we need to return manager in this method. So we configured user detail service. What will happen if we will rerun our application? You see that there is no password in logs now. It's great. So let's check and run and try to pass Stas. Nothing happened. Why? Let's check our logs, and we see that there is no password encoder mapped for the ID null. Okay, I will explain about password encoders in following lessons, but for now just remember that there are such thing as a password encoder that simply somehow transforms our password provided by user, provided by us, and so on. So we have password Stas here. What can we do? We can specify another bin with name password encoder, and let's return no OOP password encoder and call get instance method. You see that it's deprecated and it's not for use in production. Don't use it, but for demonstration purposes it's quite a good option. So I will use Stas once again and call resource, and we see that we get access to our resource. Great, but we have another option. As you remember, we had exception, there is no password for ID null, yeah? We can provide here in our password simple trick that we will explain later. Prefix no OOP. Let's restart this. Let's log in once again. And we see that we again get access. We successfully authenticated, yeah, and we didn't specify any other bin except user detail service. So this prefix can be different. It can be bcrypt. It can be SHA-256 and so on. And I will explain it following lessons. So thanks a lot for your attention. Subscribe to my channel please and press like button. Thanks a lot. Bye.